So, Iowa lets you carry just $15,000 in property damage liability. Sounds fine until you hit a newer car. Average used vehicle in Iowa runs 25 grand. New car, you're looking at 48,000 plus. Your 15K limit doesn't even cover half of it. And if you're the one at fault, you're paying the difference out of pocket. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what Iowa requires, what actually protects you, and what I'm recommending to clients in my agency. Iowa requires 20,000 bodily injury per person, 40,000 per accident, and that 15,000 property damage. No uninsured motorist coverage required. No medical payments, no comprehensive or collision. Iowa gives you flexibility, but that flexibility is dangerous. I see this all the time. People think they're insured until they're not. Average hospital stay in Iowa runs $15,000 to $25,000. A serious injury easily hits 100 grand. Your 20K limit gets wiped out fast. Here's what makes Iowa different. You're in the top 5 states in the country for deer collisions. State Farm says Iowa drivers have about a 1 in 55 chance of hitting a deer every single year. That's roughly twice the national average. And here's the critical part. Deer collisions are covered by comprehensive, not collision. If you're carrying liability only to save a few bucks, a deer strike that totals your vehicle comes entirely out of your pocket. In Iowa, comprehensive isn't optional. The risk is too high. I recommend my Iowa clients carry 100,000 bodily injury per person, 300,000 per accident, 100,000 property damage, uninsured motorist coverage at the same limits, 5 to 10,000 in medical payments, and both comprehensive and collision if your vehicle is worth more than 6,000. Yeah, it's more than the minimum, but if you cause an accident or get hit by someone uninsured, you'll understand why. The biggest mistake I see in my agency is people in rural Iowa dropping comprehensive to save money. They think the low population density means lower risk. Wrong. Rural Iowa has the same deer collision rate as Des Moines. You're just in a truck instead of traffic. One collision with a deer and you've lost your vehicle entirely if you don't have comprehensive. Call us right now at 76373374775. We're licensed in Iowa and can get you a quote in about 3 minutes. Or use the link in the description. Nelson and Associates, Fridley, Minnesota.